An example, what's happening is if we put sine 30 degrees, we should have the same answer as sine pi on 6. To do that, the first thing in VCE math method, you always leave your the setting of your graphic calculator in the form of in radians form. It's you can change it here. Okay, it's radians form, degree form, or well, I can't remember what this is, but always leave them in radians form because sometimes you have to plot graphs. That's well, you okay, just trust me. Leave them on radians form. It's much easier. Say, if I want to find the value of sine, how to do that is in your calculator on your well on your keypad, the you will have a keyboard button there. If you click it, you will have a keyboard in your screen, and we use that keyboard to do questions. And for instance, we go to trigonometry, as we say, to find sine, cos, and tan, and do calculations in there. Okay, so I put sine. Okay, first I set it in radians form. 30 degrees. The little degree symbol is is in your keyboard. Don't forget to enter it. We'll have well, let's highlight it and click here. They give us a value 0.5. Okay, and we use sine. It's very important to input the little sign, the little circle there. Otherwise, you won't get answer. I do an example to show you. If I use sine 30 without entering the little degree sign, I will have a completely different answer. Okay, so please remember when you're using calculators, sine 30 degrees, remember to put the little circle there to input it there, just in your keypad there. Okay, and if I okay, let's enter sine pi divided by 6. Okay, and for radians form, you don't have to enter that thing that circle there. That means in radians. Okay, and let's change it, and we will have exactly the same answer there. Okay, basically degrees form and radians form both are well are different ways to show a value of an angle, and they are, once you convert them right, they are the same. They are the same thing. And okay, which is equals to half. Okay. Okay, now let's do some more examples. Okay, how do I get rid of it? Okay, let me close it just for now. Okay. Okay. Now let's do some more examples there to convert radians to degree. So example, please convert the following sorry, degree. Okay. Question A is, say, the radians equals to 1. In question B, the radians is pi on 7. In question C, the radians is pi on 9. In question D, the radians is, okay, say 20. Okay. Now what we do is we use the formula here, convert radians to degree, radians divided by pi times 180 degree. Okay. So question A, we have 1 divided by pi times 180 degrees. It equals to, let's use our calculator to do this. Okay, I make it bigger here. Okay. So we have 1 divided by pi times 180, and well, let's put it in a fraction, which is 57.3. Okay, so our answer will be 57.3 degrees there. In question B, we have pi on 7, so what happens? Pi on 7 divided by pi, okay, times 180 degrees, and the pi in this case cancels out, and we have 180 divided by 7 degrees. Okay, well, in question C, we have pi on 9 times, divided by pi times 180 degrees. The pi cancels out, and we have 180 divided by 9, which is 20 degrees. In question D, radians 20 divided by pi times 180 degrees will be, let's use our calculator, 20 divided by pi times 180. Okay, it's going to be 1,145.9 degrees. Okay, this is how do we convert radians to degree. Okay. Normally in your in VCE math method, your radians should be in terms of pi, such as pi on 7, pi on 9, pi on 3, pi on 5, something like that. Okay, so just letting you know. Okay, this is how okay, how do we convert them? Okay, what's happened is in your math method book, you will there is a table. For instance, there's a table here. They will have degree and radians. Okay, they would put 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees. Sorry, the other way around. 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. On the right hand, the radians would be pi on 6, okay, pi on 4, pi on 3, and pi on 2, and you don't remember it, you find them out, because you can have pi, well, sometimes they ask you to convert like 32.5 degrees to radians form, and what's happening is we convert it by using the formula there. Okay, you don't try to remember the table. Okay, because sometimes I saw a lot of students uh, just before the before the year 11 topic exam, topic test, they will try to remember this table. Which is really, please don't do that. Don't try to remember it. Just what you do is just remember the formula, and every time you figure it out, it's easier this way. Okay. Okay. Remember the formula. Also remember 180 degrees is pi, and that's it. 90 degrees, it's just a fraction of it. It's quite simple to do. Okay.